go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.
New solutions.
Design brand new experience thanks to multiple functions. Instant hot water. Maintain temperature, no lengthy waiting. Smart sensing. Auto opening, closing of cover. Remote setting. Free opening and closing. 6-gear seat ring heating. Offers lasting care by providing different temperatures. Operable by remote control and buttons. Convenient, casual manipulation. Regulation with 6-gear warm wind. As warm, clean, and dry as you want. Multiple washing modes to address different cleaning needs. Auto cleaning from the nozzle, hygienic and eco-friendly. 6-gear water temperature adjustment, comfortable and considerate. 5-gear cleaning position regulation, satisfy the needs of different groups. Gravity flushing system, low noise, no water splash, and unlimited by water pressure. 3 flushing methods ensure it is not concerned. IPX4 waterproof, electric leakage production plug. Power gets disconnected once an electric leakage is detected. Odor removal with active carbon, fresh air, no embarrassment. Built-in night light, lay inside at night. Remote control switch at your command. Silent, slow drop cover. Slow drop at gentle touch. Enjoyable silent life. R&T New Solutions. Smart Future.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. Explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope tonight was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure.
Introduce our Smart Bidet Toilet for your premium lifestyle. Sophisticated piece of technology with bidet and toilet in one. So enjoy and always be comfortable with VOVO STYLEMENT. Premium design with sleek tankless system. Eco-friendly power save mode with LED display. Simply walk into the room and it will automatically open for you. Soft touch remote provides easy operation. LED night light guides you in the dark. Enjoy the comfort with wide heated seat. 5 adjustable water pressures with self-cleaning full stainless steel nozzle guarantees hygienic usage. Warm air dryer in 3 adjustable temperatures reduces usage of toilet paper. Built-in deodorization provides additional touch in your bathroom. Tornado Flush swirls and cleans the waste efficiently. Just leave, it will flush. Auto flushing system provides hands-free operation. VOVO STYLEMENT Bidet Toilet won German IF Design Award, being #1 in South Korea domestic and export market. Now, let's move on to installation method. Bidet toilet can be separated into 2 parts, upper part and lower part. These are the necessary components for installation. Please advise the installation manual for correct installation. Turn off the tap to stop the water supply. Please refer to the installation manual for the suggested dimension. Use the provided template. Connect the water hose to the tap. Attach the wax ring. Check the location of the wax ring and the screw and attach the lower part. Secure the lower part with the nut. Put the hose inside. Attach the hose with the upper part. Connect the upper part. Turn on the tap to open the water supply. Plug in to turn on the bidet toilet. Check the power LED light to see if the upper part is operational. Attach the remote control to your preferred location